What's up, everyone? Solar power is getting smarter every day, and finding the best MPPT Solar Charge Controller can make a huge difference in how much energy you actually use. Today on Best Product, we're checking out the Y&H MPPT Solar Charge Controller, a smart solution for efficient power control. Let's get started. The Y&H MPPT Solar Charge Controller is designed to help you get the most out of your solar panels without wasting energy. Instead of letting valuable power slip away, it intelligently tracks and captures the maximum energy available from sunlight. This means your system works smarter, not harder, giving you more usable power throughout the day, even when conditions are not perfect. As you start using it, you'll notice how smoothly it manages your energy flow. With its advanced technology, it can reach extremely high efficiency, so almost every bit of sunlight gets converted into real power you can use. This makes a big difference in everyday situations, like keeping your batteries charged longer or running your devices without worrying about sudden power drops. It feels reliable and consistent, which is exactly what you want from a solar setup. Another great part of this controller is how it protects your entire system. It automatically adjusts charging when there is too much power coming in, so your batteries stay safe and healthy. This not only prevents damage, but also helps extend battery life, saving you money over time. It also recognizes different battery types and adjusts itself accordingly, so you do not have to stress about complicated settings or compatibility issues. What makes it even more useful is how flexible it is. Whether you are using it for a home solar setup, an RV trip, or even a boat, it adapts easily to your needs. Imagine being out on the road or on the water and still having a steady power supply for your essentials. It brings peace of mind knowing your energy system is under control wherever you go. The build feels solid and dependable, made to handle different environments without trouble. It is compact enough to fit into your setup without taking up too much space, yet powerful enough to manage demanding systems. Everything about it is designed to make solar energy simple and stress-free. This controller is perfect for homeowners, travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to get more value from their solar panels. It turns sunlight into dependable power and makes your entire system more efficient and easier to manage. Power up your solar system the smart way. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more amazing finds.